मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, every time she is very very good, she is an entrepreneur, she is very driven everything, but she has a problem. कभी भी आएगी ना, यार आज मेरी कार ब्रेक डाउन होगी, मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होना ही होता है, मतलब कभी कुछ स्मूथली होना ही नहीं है. Look at her language. Your language is a reflection of your thoughts. Your thoughts are a reflection of your belief in your subconscious mind, and whatever you speak, it becomes a reality. See, it is something like your thoughts हैं आपके. Can you all see this? मेरी handwriting बहुत अच्छी नहीं, but just for your understanding, ये आपके thoughts हैं which is leading to your language. ठीक है? And language is creating the reality. ठीक है? Somewhere, roughly. But what happens? Sometimes if you're not able to work on your thoughts, you don't know where that language is coming from, right? अब just in her case, she always say, यार मेरे साथ कुछ ना कुछ negative तो होता ही है, but she does not know the root where those words are coming from. She does not know the root. तो उस केस में हम फिर कैसे काम करते हैं ऐसे व्यक्ति के साथ? I will ask that person to change your language. Become conscious of what you speak, because it is actually a two-way traffic. Consciously. So I have told her, the moment you say those words, catch yourself, be conscious, be aware of what you're saying, whatever you are speaking. And now whenever she says something negative, शुरू में तो मैं उसे टोक देती थी ना, oh okay, I'm not supposed to say that, I'm supposed to say this. So you have to make a conscious effort, and you have to be very aware of what you are speaking, the spoken words. That is the first exercise which I am giving to you for these 2 months. Please watch out your language, because your language, if you can change your language, and you know what change that you have to make in your language. All of you know, I don't have to tell you that. If something, if some belief, if some thought, if some words are not serving you, if they are giving you a lesser than hopeful view of the world, you have to get rid of that language. You know it. Everybody knows कि हमें किस चीज़ को बोलना नहीं है, but फिर भी हम कहते हैं नहीं यार मेरे साथ नहीं हो, कहाँ से अच्छा होगा, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. Don't we say that? How many of us do that? Most of us do that. So you have to start working on your language. That is the very first step, जिसमें हम रिवर्स इंजीनियर करते हैं, यहाँ से उधर जाते हैं. लैंग्वेज चेंज होगी तो आपका इमोशन चेंज होगा, राइट? इफ आई से ओ आई एम सो सैड, आई हैव दैट हैबिट, आई एम ऑलवेज सैड, सपोज, एंड नाउ आई कैच माई सेल्फ व्हेन आई से आई एम सैड, आई से ओके नो आई एम हैप्पी, दो आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, आई एम सैड, बिकॉज बॉडी को आदत होगी, आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट कि क्यों आई एम हैप्पी, ओके आई एम हैप्पी, मुँह ऐसा बना है बट ओके आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम चेंजिंग माई लैंग्वेज. 1, 2, 3, 4, every single day I'm working on my language. I am forming a habit because I'm repeating it. So I say, whenever I feel sad, I say I'm happy, and I go in the mirror and I smile. ना कुछ नहीं होता भाई, स्माइल तो आप दुखी हो तब भी ऐसे कर सकते हो ना, कर सकते हो कि नहीं? You can change your body language whenever you want to. See, when you are sad, I don't know if you have noticed it, whenever you have that negative emotion, negative or heavy emotion, sad ho, angry ho, depressed ho, your body language changes. When you're sad, you're like this, your shoulders are like this, your breathing is fast, right? But when you're happy, your shoulders are like this, and you're breathing very calmly. So there is a survival mechanism which has been integrated in our system. That is why this fear क्यों होता है? Fear, whenever fear happens, what is actually happening in your body? There is something in our body which is called as the sympathetic nervous system. For example, अब हमारा अर्ली मैन है जो, वो बाहर गया है कुछ खाना वाना का तैयारी, वो जुगाड़ करने के लिए, and he encounters a tiger. So what will happen? There is something called as a sympathetic nervous system. SYN, sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system हमारा जो होता है वो हमारे अंदर हमारे fear circuits ब्रेन में होते हैं, उनको ट्रिगर करता है. There are circuits in your brain, right? We have spoken about neurons. I'll be speaking a lot about this later also. But अभी इतना समझो कि हमारे अंदर जब ये sympathetic nervous system activate होता है, whenever some threat to your survival happens, lion आ गया तो आपका fear circuit on हो गया, आपका sympathetic nervous system on हो गया, activate हो गया. When this gets activated, what happens? Your heartbeat बढ़ जाती है, आपका ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है. And what happens is that all the blood from this part of your body, this is called as a visceral, this is the viscera of your body. This is the part of the body जिसमें आपके सारे organs हैं, जिस पे आपकी growth depend करती है. Growth and maintenance and good health depends. Blood circulation यहाँ होता है. Generally blood is circulating here. But whenever fear happens, whenever stress happens, whenever the sympathetic nervous system triggers, what happens? All this blood from your viscera is sucked to your extremities, your arms, your legs. Why? So that you can run or you can fight. So it is called as a fight and flight mechanism. What is it called? Fight and flight. Why? कि टाइगर आ गया अगर तो क्या करोगे? या भाग जाओगे या लड़ोगे अपने आप को बचाने के लिए. तो उसको बचाने के लिए आपको एनर्जी चाहिए. एनर्जी चाहिए तो कहाँ से? एनर्जी तो सारी हमारी ग्रोथ सिस्टम में लगी हुई है. बाजुओं टांगों में अभी इतनी एनर्जी नहीं है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? गॉड हैज डिजाइन्ड अस इन अ वे सो दैट दिस नर्वस सिस्टम गेट्स एक्टिवेटेड एंड इट विल सक ऑल द ब्लड फ्रॉम हियर एंड इट विल सेंड इट टू आवर एक्सट्रीमिटीज एंड द बैक साइड ऑफ योर ब्रेन. बैक साइड ऑफ योर ब्रेन वहाँ ब्लड चला जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन कंट्रोल करता है दिस पार्ट ऑफ योर ब्रेन. रिफ्लेक्स, फुर्ती चाहिए भागने के लिए. एंड दिस इज दैट पार्ट एंड योर थिंकिंग ब्रेन इज दिस पार्ट. So whenever this thing happens, your fear circuits get activated. आपका जो thinking brain है, the logical brain है, जो intelligence जहाँ पे आपकी है, वह that stops working because उस समय you don't have to do your PhD. You have to save yourself from the tiger, right? So that is why these stress hormones. Now we call them stress hormones, but actually these are the hormones which are our survival hormones, which were created for our survival. But the tragedy today is we are no more living in caves. But still we have that mechanism. इंसान का जो basic structure और biochemistry है that is not changed. We still have the fear circuits in our mind. We still have this sympathetic nervous system. Now what happens जब वो शेर भाग भाग के आपके पीछे आया, आप किसी तरह से बच गए, आप उसके बाद क्या होगा? केव में पहुंचे. Slowly your breathing will become normal. अब threat नहीं है. So what happens? There is something called as your parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system which gets activated and it will bring your body back to that homeostasis जो आपका normal routine level है वो. Blood pressure normal हो जाएगा, heart rate normal हो जाएगा, breathing will be normal. The blood which has gone to your extremities and the back of your brain, it will come back to your viscera and normal जिंदगी हो जाएगी. But tragedy today is that this entire nervous system gets triggered. अब टाइगर नहीं आएगा, लायन नहीं आएगा, but क्या आएगा? Tension, stress. Just a single negative thought happens and you will trigger the sympathetic nervous system. And the moment you trigger the sympathetic nervous system, see, your brain does not know the difference between what is actually happening in the external world, the threat in the external world, and what you are thinking, you are imagining. It does not know the difference between that. That is why the stress these days. I have seen people who are into depression for no reason, just because of those thoughts. और वो thoughts कहाँ से आते हैं? You all know it comes from your subconscious programming, right? So stress हुआ, कुछ negative हुआ, depression हुआ, कुछ negative हुआ, you trigger this sympathetic nervous system and what happens? Blood यहाँ से निकल गया, पीछे चला गया, बाजू में चला गया and you continue here. लायन तो चला गया था, but आपका तो वो जान ही रहा है ट्रिगर कहाँ से वो थॉट आ रहा है, क्या आ रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ से आ रहा है. So what happens? This keeps activated. This never triggers. पैरासिम्पैथेटिक को मौका ही नहीं मिलता है कि भाई अब नॉर्मल भी हो. So what happens? What will happen? Biochemically what will happen? आपकी सारी जो ग्रोथ वाला पार्ट है उसमें आपको ब्लड नहीं मिल रहा है प्रॉपर. Your health, you are headed for disease. If this is going on like this, you have to come back to this normal human homeostasis. This has to get triggered. So stress is good. When they say stress, whenever I have a workshop or a seminar, initially I'm really nervous. I am stressed. But there is a reason. Stress, anger, fear, these are actually good emotions as long as you use them to fuel you. So थोड़ा बहुत stress होना ज़रूरी है so that you are motivated enough, you are driven enough. You keep asking me, how do we stay motivated? You have to learn to use your heavy emotions as a fuel. You don't have to get rid of them. You can never get rid of them because you are designed with them. There is a reason you have it. अब हम cave dwelling नहीं है. We don't have those survival issues at all. Animal आ जाएगा, सांप आ जाएगा, ये आएगा, वो आएगा. No, we have comfortable lives. But because that circuit is there, उसको काम तो कराना है, तो हम उस thought से उसको activate कर देते हैं. But we don't know how to deactivate it. We don't know how to trigger the parasympathetic nervous system and come back to a normal self. क्योंकि अगर आप इसको जाने देंगे, you will end up in depression, you will end up with a lot of diseases, and you will know, अरे यार ये बीमारी भी होगी, thyroid हो गया, blah blah blah, there are so many, blood pressure हो गया, heart problem होगी, कितने सारे diseases हैं. If you look around, there is hardly anybody who is completely physically fit, and I was also there at one point in my time, not very long ago. एक के बाद health issues आ रहे थे मुझे, and I was like, why? Where is this coming from? And that is when I started asking myself those questions. Self-reflection, self-introspection, focus inside, see what is wrong, why am I being this? Why am I manifesting so many diseases one after the other? There was a time when I was not able to walk. I used to like limp because I had a very, very bad vitamin D deficiency. It's not ki lack of vitamin D, no. It's all because of the lack of, we are not, the mind is here for us to help us. हमें उसको use करना नहीं आता. We don't know how to use fear. We don't know how to use stress. We don't know how to use anger. We have to use these emotions for our benefit, and they are here to help us.